Star Eliza, Global Warrior. Last call to place bets. All set now, ready to race number 3. And the race is on. AJ Special in a knee-jerking beginning. Moving up by the rally's Eccles Cake. Down on the inside, Kissable Toys ready to rumble. Star Eliza, while Global Warrior is the early trailer by about 7 to 8 lengths of the leader. Back to the front runner. AJ Special high bowling in front by about 4 lengths, followed by Eccles Cake in second, and running by the Star Eliza on the outside, ready to rumble. Another far turn, AJ Special by about 2 lengths, Eccles Cake in second. Star Eliza is running by the ready to rumble. Global War, Kissable Toss as they swing for AJ Special, Eccles Cake on the outside, AJ Special, Eccles Cake on the outside, AJ Special, Eccles Cake on the outside, and Global Warrior, but still AJ Special, and nearing the finish line, it's AJ Special. Global Warrior close with ready to rumble, Eccles Cake.